Invest in yourself, preparing with hard work, dedicate yourself to your goals, and then watch for the right time to make the leap. A warm welcome to all our viewers. I am Ruchija and I'll be talking on the chapter 10 of the book Life Without Limits, and that is an equal opportunity. In this chapter, the author explains few ways to achieve our dreams, and the ways are as follows. The first one is lights, camera, and action. To pursue your dreams, you have to take action. Move it or lose it. Act or be acted upon. If you don't have what you want, consider creating what you want. God will light the path. Your chance of a lifetime, the door to your dreams is open. Your path is to a purpose may present itself at any moment. Be ready for it. Do all you need to do. Learn all you need to know. If no one comes knocking, beat down a few doors. One day you'll step into the life you desire. The next one is make a break. Even after you have built a powerful purpose and have developed huge reservoirs of hope, faith, self esteem, positive attitudes, courage, resilience, adaptability, and good relationships, you can't just sit around and wait for a break. You have to seize upon every thread and weave a rope you can climb. Sometimes you'll even find that boulder that fell and blocked your path, left an opening that takes you to a higher place. But you have to have the courage and the determination to make the ascent. The next is blessings in disguise. It's all about perspective. There is no hiding from life. You will take some hits unless you are blasted so hard you go into a coma. You'll become frustrated, angry, and sad. Been there, done that, still I argue to reject despair and bitterness. You can be buried by a giant wave or you can ride it into shore. In the same way, challenging events in your life can push you down or lift you up. If you can breathe, be grateful. Use that gratitude to rise above depression and bitterness. Take one step, then another, build momentum and create a life you love. The next is taking measure. Not all opportunities are equal. At the beginning of this chapter, I wrote about embarrassing my first movie role after turning down the earlier officer. That show I want to be known on this planet. How do you want to be known? In earlier chapters, we looked at the importance of having a purpose when offers and breaks come to your way and when you create them for yourself. You must always ask yourself, does this match up with my purpose and my values? Be thoughtful, develop high standards and strict criteria for evaluating how you invest your time and energy. The next is, are you ready? Timing is another consideration when making these assessments, sometimes especially when you are young. Tempting offers present themselves but the timing may be off. You don't want to accept a job that you aren't qualified for or prepared to master. Just as you shouldn't rush off on a luxury vacation you can't afford. The cost is too high, it will take you too long to recover. Step back and look at the big picture. Remember, you're often tested, but life itself is not a test. It's a right deal. The decision you make every day impact the quality of entire life. The next point is the right place. If you have prepared yourself to the best of your ability but no doors have opened for you, then maybe you need to reposition yourself and your talents. If your dream is to be a world champion surfer, chances are Alaska won't offer any waves right. Sometimes you need to make a move to catch a break. I realized several years ago that if I wanted to develop a worldwide audience for my speaking career, I needed to move out of Australia and to the United States. I love Australia, most of my family is still there. But down under was too remote launching a pad and I didn't offer the options and exposure that I have found in United States. The next point is opportunity time. Albert Einstein said that in the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. The recent recession had left millions of people unemployed. Countless others have lost their homes and their savings. What good can come of hard times? Among the major brand companies that start up during recessions and depressions are many more. The founders of these companies were looking for new and better ways to serve customers because previous models have failed during downturns. They seized the moment to create their own vision for doing business. The next point is on the clock. A few years ago, I was flying with my caregiver across the country. At one airport, our flight was delayed, and when we finally were on the plane and taxiing from the departure gate, I looked out the window and saw smoke coming from the engine. A fire truck came roaring up. The firefighters jumped out and sprayed foam on the engine to put out the blaze. Due to small fire in the engine, the passengers were told we'll be conducting an emergency evacuation of this plane. Alright, I thought fire is the engine was not good, but being on the ground when the small fire broke out was a plus. When it was announced that our flight will be delayed another 2 hours, many of my fellow passengers complained loudly and bitterly. I was irritated but glad we have been spared a possible mid flight emergency. So I told myself, is there something I can do? You can hold my hand if you like. When landed our destination, and hence we landed our destination. The next point is creative vision. A lost loved one, a broken relationship, a financial setback, or an illness can break you if you get grief and despair overtake you. One way to fight through those challenges is to stay alert for what rises up, even when life seems to be taking you down. With that, we have come to the end of chapter 10, an equal opportunity. Thank you.
Hi guys, I hope you must have liked our initiative of one book, 1 hour, 1 week. Also, we'd like to take a moment here to thank you guys for all your support and love as we hit our first 100 subscribers. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to our channel to keep yourselves updated for the coming videos. Thank you for associating with us and have a good day.